What's crackin' cuties? Welcome back to Crystal Rose Nails. Thank you so much for stopping by for another video with me. Today I'm putting hand-picked wildflowers inside of acrylic. Stick around. I hope you enjoy. Once again, thanks so much for stopping by, and I'm starting off with lime green tips because I just felt like I wanted some color underneath these nails today. After I glue on my lime green tips, I'm going to go ahead and shape them into stilettos and file them up a little bit before I start applying my acrylic. I'm going to rough up the top of those tips just for better adhesion, and then of course I'm going to add my nail primer before I go in with my acrylic. I really wanted a white background for these nails, so I decided to use white acrylic, do a very thin layer of white acrylic, and then go ahead and encapsulate those dried flowers on top of the white. Now that I'm all done applying my base layer of white acrylic, I'm gonna start encapsulating my dried flowers. Here's my container of hand-picked dried flowers. Last week I walked around my property and found the tiniest little wildflowers I could find and pressed them and dried them just for you guys so I could show you how to put them inside of nails today. I tried to find as many different colored flowers as possible, but all of the wildflowers around here kind of blooms at different times. So I'll be collecting them throughout the spring, and hopefully by summer I'll have a nice stockpile of different colored wildflowers to use on my nails for the rest of the year. So in order to start applying these flowers, I'm just going to grab a tiny, tiny bead of clear acrylic and put it underneath the spots where I want these flowers, just to adhere them to my nail. And then I'll go over them with a thick layer of clear. Well, not thick, but you know, thick. So before I apply that last layer of clear acrylic, I decided to go in with a little bit of glitter just to shine these up a little bit. So I'm just once again grabbing a really tiny bead of clear acrylic and dipping it in my glitter and then placing it where I want around my flowers. Now I'm going to go in with my last top layer of acrylic, clear acrylic, and I know that these flowers are overlapping a little bit, but I'm going to clip them down and file the edges off, so it'll be just fine in the end. I'm just going in with my files to finish up my shaping and smoothing before I go in with my rhinestones. So I went in and started placing my rhinestones. I'm just keeping them really simple because I want to keep the focus on these dried flowers as much as possible. after finishing my nails off with my clear coat, I'm gonna use my favorite cuticle oil in the whole world. It's this California Mango cuticle oil. It's so cute. It smells so good. It soaks right into your skin and doesn't leave a really oily residue. It's just been my favorite for the last few months now. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Just a little spring fling dried flower look for you. I love you guys for stopping by. Love you guys for supporting me. I hope you guys are doing really well out there. I hope your families are doing really well and y'all are keeping it together. And I will see you soon in the next one. Bye.